In this video, I will show you how to use your own photo as wallpaper for your Laxasfit smartwatch. So if you have any smartwatch that actually uses the Laxasfit Smartwatch app, by the end of this video, you should be able to use your own photo or just any custom image you want as wallpaper for your Laxasfit smartwatch. And to do this, first things first, we actually have to connect our Laxasfit smartwatch to the Laxasfit Smartwatch app on our phone. So go ahead and get your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, and then head to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. Now from the Google Play Store or the top search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for the Laxasfit Smartwatch app. Just search for Laxasfit and then make sure you download and install this Laxasfit Smartwatch app over here into your phone. As you can see, mine is already downloaded and installed, but before you go ahead to open it up, you want to come over to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then you also make sure you turn on the service location of your phone as well. Now some Laxasfit Smartwatch actually has the Bluetooth feature, so press on this button and then make sure that you turn on Bluetooth on your Laxasfit Smartwatch as well. If your Laxasfit Smartwatch does not have Bluetooth, you don't have to worry. At this point, you can go ahead and open up the Laxasfit Smartwatch app. So click on the open button over here, and the setup process for the smartwatch app is quite simple. Basically, you just want to click on the agree button over here and then just give it permission to access your location. Go ahead and give it all of the permission it needs to work properly on your phone. And once you're done, you should be taken to the sign up page. Now at this point, you just want to check on this button over here and then go ahead and sign up with Google. From over here, you want to select the email that you want to use to sign up. So I'll just select this email over here, and if you're using the app for the first time, you will be taken to the page where you will have to enter your other information about yourself, like your height and weight and size. And once you're done, you should be taken to this page. Now at this point, you want to click on the go to set button over here. Go ahead and look for the Laxasfit Smartwatch app from this list of apps over here, and then make sure you enable this notification access so that the Laxasfit Smartwatch app will be able to send notifications to your Laxasfit Smartwatch. Now click on this check button and then just click on OK. Now go back to the Laxasfit Smartwatch app. Once you've enabled the allow notification access over here, just go back to the app. And at this point, you want to come over to the My tab over here. Go ahead and pair your Laxasfit Smartwatch app with the Laxasfit Smartwatch. So click on search for devices. The app is now looking for available Laxasfit Smartwatch. You can literally see the name of mine over here. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on if you actually have the Bluetooth feature. And then you just want to go ahead and select the name of your Laxasfit Smartwatch. And just like so, it has now successfully connected. Go ahead and click on the pair button over here to actually pair both devices using Bluetooth as well. Now at this point, to set your own picture or photo as wallpaper for your Laxasfit smartwatch, you just want to go over to the dials settings over here. And then from here, you want to scroll down to the DIY dial, select this option. And then from over here, you want to click on the select picture option. Now click on select picture. And then you want to go ahead and select any image you want to use as wallpaper for your Laxasfit smartwatch. Now over here is the picture I want to use, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. Now this is the picture, so I'll just click on the check button at the top. And now you just want to go ahead and select where you want the text on the picture should be. So I'll just select it from over here. I want to keep it here, or I can keep it here if I want. Then click on OK. And now you can actually do other customization, like changing the color of the text over here, and just making other customization if you want. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on the save button and use button over here. Now it is now pushing my photo as the wallpaper for my Laxasfit smartwatch over here. Just go ahead and give it some few seconds. And just like so, I have now been able to use my own photo as wallpaper for my Laxasfit smartwatch. As you can see, it really looks pretty well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.